Hey fam, it's such a great feeling to find a gem project with a few mammoth funds invested in it. What is even prettier is that they offer a zero-cost testnet for us to participate in. This time, we'll talk about the project that operates on Solana VM. They have been around for some time and planning to launch their mainnet sometime soon, so there's still room for us to join, if we'll be acting swiftly. That's right, we'll be discussing Eclipse project that claims to be the fastest layer 2 built on Solana. What makes them different is that they integrate various blockchain technologies to provide a robust and efficient platform for both developers and users. Eclipse operates specifically as an optimistic rollup, which is letting them increase transaction throughput and reduce the costs. Also, their data availability is managed through integration with Celestia, and Eclipse supports cross-chain operations, enabling interoperability between different blockchain networks. If these names ring a bell, then be confident that you want to make sure Eclipse is successfully added to your portfolio as completed testnet. So far, they've raised $65 million from different well-known funds, and Polychain decided to invest into them 2 times. Now that you know more about the project itself, let's head straight to the activities that will grab a spot for us in the potential airdrop that we could most likely get from Eclipse. We highly appreciate you tapping the like and subscribe buttons. Here we go! We'll begin the testnet with installing the Salmon wallet. This isn't our usual adding the extension process, so first go to the GitHub website and click on the second from the top option to download the file. Then head over to the extensions icon in your browser and click on Manage Extensions. Then enable the developer mode in the right top corner of the screen. Drag the unzipped folder with Salmon wallet files to your browser and it will be added automatically. Then open the wallet from the drop-down menu and create the wallet as usual. Make sure to save the seed phrase. The next step is to request Sepolia Ethereum tokens. Visit the Faucet website, enter your MetaMask or other EVM wallet number and request the tokens. After the tokens are transferred to your wallet, head over to Sepolia-Eclipse Bridge and first connect your EVM wallet you've received the Sepolia Ethereum tokens to. Then open the Salmon wallet extension and change the network to Eclipse Testnet. After that, copy the wallet address and paste it in the needed field on the Faucet website. Send some Ethereum by clicking the bridge button. Now we will start interactions with main testnet activities within Eclipse Invariant app. Usually projects want you to gain hands-on experience, learn from token mechanics, and understand how transactions work in a safe environment by performing test swaps. So it is recommended to perform multiple swaps and trigger the interactions with as many different tokens as possible. You may connect your wallet and request more tokens from the faucet right here on this page. Now, take your time to complete the swaps and then we'll move on to adding some assets to the pool. Stay on this website and click on the Pool tab. Then locate the Add Position button and press on it. Now choose the pair of tokens you'd like to add to liquidity and enter the amount. Confirm the action in your Salmon wallet. This might be something you've already done before, so these interactions should be pretty simple to complete. Anytime you're adding liquidity, it contributes to a healthier and more efficient market. On to the next activity. Visit the Openbook DEX and connect your Salmon wallet. Then go to the Airdrop tab to request the tokens for trading on this platform. Press on the Airdrop button to receive the tokens. Now click on the Trade tab and try to deposit the tokens and open a few orders. As it's a testnet, sometimes particular features might not work correct, as shown in our example. However, we wanted to share this activity with you to make sure you get all of the info as early as possible. So, maybe the deposit option is available when you are watching this video. If not, then try coming back to this page a bit later and complete these activities when that's possible. The last but not least is leaving your feedback in the respected form. Any feedback will do, but if you've encountered some problems, such as deposit feature not working, then that's exactly what you might share as your feedback with Eclipse devs. There's another activity you could do, and it's mostly dedicated to the developers, so we won't go into details. In case you're interested, check out our Mirror article. The full step-by-step guide about Eclipse deployment is written there. If you're not a developer, you could also give it a try, as the activity is not that difficult and you will definitely be able to follow the simple steps with no coding skills required. Deployment will reward you with additional points on your way to the airdrop from Eclipse. Make sure to fill out the Eclipse deployment address form after you've completed this activity. And with that, we conclude today's activities for Eclipse project. Take note that it's a good idea to join all of the socials of Eclipse project to keep an eye on any upcoming announcements and possible activities to solidify your position in terms of an airdrop from them. If you have enjoyed this video, we invite you to like it and subscribe to Atom's research channel. Leave your comment to share if you managed to complete all of the activities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.